Good morning, beloveds. Last night we had spinach salad with shrimp. This is breakfast this morning. Pork tacos from HelloFresh. It got a little breezy, so I had to put the awning in. Also, I'm done with the sun over there, so I came over to this spot to cook. Oh, there's the reindeers over there. So, yeah. So I picked that spot when I came through here the first time in my car because I thought it would be easy to back into. Not realizing, of course, a month and a half ago that I needed shade. So I'm over here cooking that spot and this spot. 8 and 10 are the best ones for shade. The Wi-Fi is over there, but it doesn't work, so you won't get to see any of these videos till I get home on Thursday to edit and upload. But today we're going to have pork tacos for breakfast / lunch / snack. And this one here, she's been having a good time. We got up with the dawn this morning. I woke up last night and I saw, oh my gosh, hundreds of stars. We saw the owls go by at 5:30 this morning, going home to roost. Now, they have a beautiful cell tower right over there with crappy reception. LOL. So, yeah. Day 2 of the world adventure. Yesterday's angel's card was understanding, and today's angel card was resilience. More to come. Well, what do you think? Looks pretty much the same. I like this one because it's super easy. So I'm not going to be able to get the HelloFresh meals anymore on the road. I'll have to come up with some other solutions. But one thing I like about them is they were super easy meals. And so it gives me some really good ideas for cooking, camp cooking. And yes, I could cook in the RV, but why make it hotter over there than I need to? Right now the dog and I are over here in the shade enjoying the breeze. And I'm going to have some breakfast. It is, what time is it? Oh, 9 o'clock on June 23rd, 2020. Poison oak, bay leaf. Got some blue jays around here somewhere. The puppy's on high alert. She's doing great. I'm telling you, people, they're up there. They're over there. They're out there somewhere. I am so beat up. Top of the morning to ya. Yum. Come on. Leave the deer alone. Come on, let's go this way. Hi, Bambies. Don't jump out on us. This one here sounds like a little pig herself. Oh, there's a little spot right in there. That looks cool. I can go that way too. That's a magic spot over there. That's the pig dog. Dog pig. She sounds like a pig. pictures. All kinds of good birds and things here. There's even a bobcat here. Over there in the trees on the other side. Okay. Well, so, let's see, we've had hot, dry. I like this a little better. It would be nice if it rained, though. I don't know, let's see what happens. Those are cows in the background. Over there somewhere. This is Robin from the San Francisco Bay Area Sasquatch Believers. They're out there. Last night I had the windows open. I was a little creeped out. I don't think I slept all the way last night. I kept thinking about the windows being open. Good night.